please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorial videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Backbenchers Classroom. I hope you all are well. This video is gonna be very helpful to you. In this video, I'll show you how do you generate a full battery life and its usage report of your laptop. To know the details, let's open a CMD first. So search for a CMD, run as administrator. After opening the CMD, type a command here which is power cfg space / battery report. Okay, now hit enter to apply. As you can see, here is the result: battery life report saved to file path this. Okay, so we have to locate this file, battery report file, on this path. So simply copy this, okay, and open any Explorer window. Now paste it the path over here and hit enter to apply. Okay, so guys, here you can see all the details about your battery. So if you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel and take care till the next video.
Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.